More than ever, data and information security has become a strategic imperative. Why? Because your data can easily be stolen by visitors, contractors, and even employees, just by accessing an open USB port. So, just how secure are your computers and your network? Probably not very. To prevent data theft as well as the threat of malware and viruses, you should block all unused USB ports. To physically block a USB port, insert the SMARTKEEPER USB port lock. Check the direction of the USB port and easily install the USB port lock by hand. To unblock the USB port, simply use the SMARTKEEPER port lock key that is associated with your locks. This is the quickest and easiest USB port lock to install and requires no electricity, software, or special expertise. That's smart. That's SMARTKEEPER.